Hello everyone, how are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right. So how are we all doing? I just want us to go straight to the program. I hope all is well with you. How was the weekend? Now, there is a voice note of Commander Gentle the Yahoo about what is going on in Aaron this job. Many of us are aware of this, all right? But let me just bring the voice note before I say what I wanted to say, because it would be nice for you to hear that. Then you can relate to know what is going on. Now, pay close attention, please. This voice is Gentle's voice.
Okay, one don't get them the Boragan. Okay, one go short them to the how I wish is over our time for this life. This movement in the Pacific, we had a longer quadrala Ibainama. Yana protect one of the land. And the problem I will over that one of the DOS. Oh, now a key is you are buying more voice at his own water. Number one, more Golanda Quanto Chiolo. Onye nne jimula ya tụrụ m direct ọkpara nne m na nna m lụrụ nwaanyị na ndị akụ nwata izo ọ gọwa ikwu atọ nke mmadụ ka mmadụ esi wee bilite wee jere alụsa ndị ọgọ ya ọgụ ihe jọgburu onwe ya ka ọwụ na since a na-eme ihe a ka ahụ na-ebu wọọ wee gato me I refuse ka ahụ na mụnwa bụ wọọ wee gato them I refuse it I never tried such a thing ọdọsọ ha na-achọkwa m bụrụ wọọ wee bịa I can't run for what? I can't run for them. Mammy, I can make use of water this matter. Oh, quite very simple. Upon a few people, deceive all this married dogma. Few people can make shape little like this, where innocent people tell about we shall have a Guanamogene. Now have a Guanamogene. Oh, can I go on those people? I know why Kate which machine we have but they ban. And then I was a Kahasuga. Which is what I am flying with the politicians in Nopala is over there. How are those people? While I'm not in there, whatever it's in their body, out to know just don't know the budget to Lama. That confusion and I would have done worry. Okay, now, that would have put an against from airport with army. With army, checkpoint to a place on other land of money. Or no, we're bank commission, let them swear about innocent people. Why can you our people that you get what to have for this life? He's over, I'll look this over, Benham. I'll Benham, I'll quality job. Can you wear some more? Can we have that little and I got? Chair the city that's again. We haven't a city, I wasn't around. I want to join one guy and I'm looking for like the same objective inside Mulano for military in Nigeria service. This guy on a shop which the guy I know where I know Pocola, my girl, and Batara. Munachida, I know you, Munachida, no less mogu. But I'm going to that's it of people, wherever their propaganda, wherever their lies, wherever some the people are not misbehave. They have natural kind, that's what talk out, never war. Because if you go now, here I am not aware of it. Because now when I'm and I bought from a water any place. Propaganda, back and I was my own reaction. Yet you go every Chilaka go to Jamba, I'm going to put out the long manga and one on your to Saudi. Akamala Kupaka, our people, what I can't be deceive our people anyhow like that. I have been telling them this, that it is only we that can protect this our land. You see, politicians, you cannot trust them. And they're corporate what that now. In the plan, all these politicians, they know what they are doing. And they have a benefit from all these insecurities. If we really learn when the year when the go tie is over, knock it out. Yeah, when the year go tie is over, knock it out. And when the year go tie is over, knock it out. Came our people letting you do church where you want to when you were. I mean, I go and I go, that is something very fair to us. No one, those didn't go and did the Ogo we got on Camado. Also, trouble time like we couldn't mention Mama and Dogum. Okay, not as a dog about there were Abuja where we here. This is what hope has been looking for. A way to bring destruction into our own land. Even I strongly believe that now we're individuals in other places here now. Okay, so fire with the hope and Lando Tiana over that we just a cosmos and okay and the humans. Then when individuals in the back, but they cannot talk. Because if they talk about a many people had the mother place. You get so getting that. Because I want to make a issue about your voice. I want my voice. I want them water them shabia. I want them to go. More and the person who we had the person is no longer alive again. Because I want him, I want. She said, don't tamper with this young man, I don't touch this young man. Was still he couldn't listen. Now, open the debt with his life. See it, our people don't never want to understand. Okay, I'm going to measure these people. I'm not about freedom fighter. I'm going to pilot and the DOS. Then DOS will get the CBs to fight against us. And that is if we're going to talk about or everybody on this system. Because I want to make you where to pass much. Here and I understand the ones that can call their own people by in order. For them to understand, I can never go against this or I can make it at the time. I am saying it all the time. I can't go in war with his org. So when you're telling me, we are my or one mega. Then you go around, we can walk one on one. Okay, so fire, buy but okay, so fire, let him come. Guy, so fire, no be the locality. We should not mind. Now we are together. Now they are not together. That we should not mind. That I mind the video mega. Because okay, so fire was one of us. Man, I do the go, you betray the cause. So because Kako law, we don't come in order. Kao don't have. Plan a guy save how. Oga by yourself, Oga by help, it can never help. I did it for Abanyoko. I did it for Abanyoko. And I don't come back until I and what the credit them at Lalizor. I never acted anything Lizor. But all Lizor go dog, I'm sure actually were later. I'll come at later for my own. Okapamana united together, fight this corruption, Namegalizor. Okamana united together now, fight this Namegalizor. Find out to the people making Alizor. Because I believe now politicians know Lizor with the plan to make a year. And the Yahoo who make a says, call him Lizor. And he's over Nabatara. Obasa Pamukumo Pamakama, I can never go and kill my own people. People I am protecting. I am protecting life and property of my people. Get them to swear to Mato and now. Sell prisons all around my put to prisons and they bring prisons down. Checkpoint the police army and they bring them down. The result of the war, we're going to the next 2 days, you're prison. We need to get a prison. Oh, my okay. Oh, I didn't have and I'm hiding myself behind. I am already a wanted person in Nigeria and I am a big celebrity in Biafra land, which I believe that I am fully tied with my people. I'm going to be fully support and with my people. I'm glory. I want to glory at least that back and I can't even go where I put on. Showing you the channel property. It's a very big insult to me now. You told it when I'm going to Magana back, or back letter. Send it to bank. Demand how much I need. But I only have mega. One head here. None the color did not arrest us on that area. None the color on you. I want to give you the very bad by the region. Come on now. Don't believe from us, Boma de Bumata. No, we have Bumata. Say, God, you go, Mebugo. Ebocha Mebuba, I believe with time. All these things more surely comes out. We don't get them the room. The Quran dog movies of the
you can say gentle voice. Honestly, I don't believe what he said here. He's trying to camouflage. I don't believe he's trying to lie. Everything he said here, I think it's from the bottom of his heart, because Gentle is someone that loves, his people very, very much, very, very, very much. And anybody, not just like in the movement, like those in the administrative department, like in government, in media, as case may be, some people want to channel their own flop to another person. to exonerate themselves so that they will look innocent, while others, which happen to be the real innocent people, will not be seen as bad person. So it is like that. And this is the time to condemn all this nonsense because it can't help anybody. I don't want the video to be too long. This morning, preaching, so I don't want it to be too long. The message from I would say Commander Gentle is very, very, very clean. And people from our just trying to give benefit of doubt and avoid working with their enemy. Because once they penetrate them, they will turn your brain and your mind against those actually helping you. That means you can before you know what is going on, before you know what is happening, it will be too late for you. And I pray that it's not going to be your portion. Please like the video and tell me what you think about your comment section. God bless you. See you again. Make sure you like the video, okay, and share it to many platforms of your choice. Bye bye.